Okay, what I have is a 2004 Chevy Silverado. What happened? The light switch, this part would work. The the dome light right down here, that switch wouldn't work. This right here really wouldn't work all that well. Took the thing apart. This area here was covered thick in grease. So I cleaned it all off, put it together, didn't help. And the reason is, see all the wear marks right here? I mean, just totally worn out. And that's from that shit. That's from these connections here. So you know what? It's like I tried, didn't work, bought a new one for $20, works perfectly. So there you go. If I had to do it over again, I wouldn't. Truck has 175,000 miles on it. So obviously this thing here is just shot. You know, all the solder joints look good. These look good. Nothing was broken. It was just worn out. So there we go. All right. Have a good day. New one, fixed mine for $20.